What happens if you forget to put assets inside of your revocable trust? Those assets will have to go through the probate process. And so you set up your revocable trust, you put your assets in there to avoid probate, and you either forget to put assets in that trust or you sell and buy more assets and you forget to put the new ones inside of that trust. Those assets in your personal name will go through the probate process and they will get distributed one of two ways. It depends on if you have a will or you do not. So if you have a will, the assets going through probate will be distributed per your will. If you do not have a will, those assets will be distributed per the intestate laws. As an example, in Georgia, your assets will get split evenly between your kids and your spouse, with your spouse getting a minimum of 1/3. A way that you can avoid this kind of is, one, make sure that you're putting your assets inside the revocable trust. Work with your attorney to make sure all of your assets are in there. And then on an annual or like every 2 or 3 years, have your attorney check up with you and make sure you're putting your assets in there. But you can also set up a pour-over will with your revocable trust. The assets that are forgotten to put inside your revocable trust will still have to go through probate, but then on the back end of probate, instead of being distributed out to your beneficiaries, they will be distributed into the revocable trust, and then you can control and distribute the assets per that trust document. If you want help setting any of this up, click the link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk some more.